Hello and welcome guys. Hope you are doing great. So I am here with a video around the server. So you have WAMP server installed, you have XAMPP server installed, but somewhere it is lacking. Sometimes it is failing the database, frequent database corruption. Something either like this coming on your install server, either with the XAMPP or either with the WAMP. Then what is the solution? You can go for alternative one, and the best and it is highly recommended you can go for that is the Laragon. Okay, so in this video we'll walk you through how we'll be able to search the right package and how we'll be able to download and install this one, and we'll also see our first program in a PHP language. So I'm coming here to download this one. Okay, so and of course this is not freely available. uh, in case you are using for office you'll have to go for the paid one, but for the personal use I would suggest free is fine. Okay, so but yeah, this is not that much of costly, and here you'll have option like the server kind of thing you configuration do like you do on the AWS EC2 instance. You can go for Apache, that configuration the similar here. Nginx server you can also do the similar kind of thing here. Now I am going to download, going back here under download, download this full package. So if you come here you'll find around 200 plus in MB. Yeah, 228 MB. So I just click here. Okay, so it is not going to take more than a minute for me to download. So even in your case, okay, so some you'll see the screen like this. You'll have the tool, quick add. If you go to tool, then quick add, you can add the language like this. Okay, but this language is only available in case of you are in the paid one. So with this download, I guess I will have only one language. Okay, you see here the setting of Apache here, Apache Nginx. You can switch between. Clear? And even on the Apache, will have option here to enable the SSL. It will give you some of a step. You'll have to copy that one, sorry, replicate that one, and then you'll be able to achieve that. Okay, so not everything will cover here. We'll just try installing and we'll be able to execute one of the simple program. Okay, so still in downloading, and it also will have option here. You can test for the mem cache and the redis cache. Well, so maybe due to some internet slowness, it is taking more time, but it happens. Well, so what marks Laragon so loved? So it's a really fast. I have not tested this one. It is awesome, and the speed is fine. It's a lightweight, isolated, and portable environment. Auto virtual host, auto SSL, and local domain. Okay, so enable HTTPS. You'll be able to enable HTTPS on your locally. Like I so. One click share you can do. Share your local project instantly with public URL. Prefer for demo. So this kind of feature will also have here the on top of whatever you have already with the XAMPP or the WAM. Okay, so now I can see I have downloaded this one and I'm going to install. Yeah, so Microsoft Defender. Yeah, so start running this app. Okay, more option. I want to run anyway because this is just exe file, so that may be the reason it is giving me the alert before continuing in this one. But yeah, this is fine. Okay, so I'm going to install this language. So I am going to install within a D directory, not within a C. Okay, so the like you install the similar with the WAMP or the Gen. So I can do this one. Your app will get pretty URL this. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Install. So here on this page itself, it's going to take more time. And once we'll install this one, and then we'll be able to create a simple program. Okay, and you will find, and it is not taking that much of time, and even it is not being corrupted. There maybe I have used XAMPP or WAMP for many years, like 10 plus year, but I have seen many issues of corruption of DB, and sometimes it is DB not starting, sometimes Apache not starting. So many such issues I have faced. But this one I'm using from last 1 year. I have never faced any issue, and I guess almost done. Please wait. A message is coming here. You can see on this screen, and here you'll for your reference you'll also have the quick guide you can go for. So if you come up here and if you on the main site of download and click here on the image, and even you will find a step-by-step guide. You can also click on that one. Okay, this one. Then you will come up here the document around this. So what is pretty URL, what is auto SSL, how you'll be able to do that. Okay, then quick app, how you can map. Okay, so this is basically the hosting. You'll be able to quickly map those things. Quick add, how you can add quickly the other PHP language versions, and same way quick share, you'll be able to share this one. Okay, so all this feature this package will have. And yeah, yes, restart my, no, I will restart later. Finish. But in case running, you'll have the running WAMP or the jam, it is always recommended to go for the restart of your system. Okay, so now I'm going to open up here the Laragon. Okay, so this is quite simple. You see here, if I click here, I can start my Apache. It's started. Again, I click here on the MySQL. Started. Yeah, so this is Apache starting. Okay, so we'll have to allow some permission here. Do you want window file head blocks on feature Apache this? And if you go for here the local host, you can see this is install. And what version it is? It's a PHP 8.3 install. You can see here, and the install directory is sorry, not the install directory. The document root is I have here the WAN ww1. Okay, so Laragon, the similar way we'll have the under WAN here also. If I click here on the getting started, it will again take me to the document link here. So now I can see my SQL Apache started, and not more service required. In case you have to do any changes and you do the changes, and you'll have to reload Apache again. So if you click here, it will be restarted. So you see here, it's very similar. And start all option here on the bottom. You will go here over the DB from this one. Okay, like this. So whichever you will have installed, it will open up there. This is command terminal, you can also go for. Okay, so you see here, this is the version PHP 8.3. I'm closing this command prompt. Similar way, the root directly you will be able to see here under this. Let me create here a file. It's already here, but I'm going to create a test one. And here I'm going to use the PHP info. Okay, so in my case, the file name is test.php. Okay, so now you see you'll have everything set up in just within 10 minutes, and both are working fine. And even with this, so I can access all my MySQL. So the DB, whichever I was able to access through the installation of the WAMP or the XAMPP, even that one will be able to access here. But for that, we'll have to do the migration. Okay, because not everything I can access here. Clear? So this is how you will be able to install this in a very quick time, and you will be able to use this one. Now coming to see here under menu, you see here you have a PHP here, and here you'll have the quick setting in case you want to change something. So let's say post max size you want to go for 2 GB, and even you want to change, you can go for that one. So setting something like this will have option here. You don't need to go there within the file. You can do it from here itself. Max execution time, let's say this is fine, so I just have to set quick settings. Memory limit, let's say 2G is the 2 GB I'll have to assign. I will do the okay, then I can see the change. Got it? So this is how quickly you're able to some of the thing will be able to do from here. Okay, now the extension will have to enable, we can also do from here as well. Let's say we'll have to enable the FTP, so I just checked on that one, and you see it already restarted after making the change. The server restarted itself. Okay, yeah, like you see I did for the FTP, it is enabled now. Let's say I have to enable the soap, so you just have to click on that name only. Got it? So this is Apache. If you want to go to enable SSL, you can enable from here. MySQL, if you want to access PHP admin 6, it will localhost PHP admin, you can access. Nope. So maybe some installation needed, but this is all option we have from here. Cron also you will be able to set, because this is complete server as I told you in the very beginning. And suppose you have to go for the Python one, you will be able to do the thing here. PHP, Python, Node, everything you find here. The mail, start mail, bit, and so here you see. So you'll be able to use that one in the Apache version here. Enable this, data all auto, SSL. So you can manage a lots of thing here. Okay, so this is all from this videos. hopefully you will have some benefit of using this one over the WAMP or the JAM. But once you try and give it a try at least, because you should know more and more tools and technologies that is more beneficial in the real life. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.